took for granted all the time, but I thought it would be best somehow. I hear laughter, I face the tears, but I just can't hear you now. Oh, can you see? You got me going crazy. Whatever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this moment, but in the end